friends, Namaste. Welcome to Stressless Lifestyle. Today I'm going to give 5 tips for parents and 5 tips for students how they can handle examination situation without fear or stress. So first 5 tips for parents. First and foremost, you should understand your child's ability of learning. What is meant by ability of learning? One child's ability of learning is he can able to score maximum of 50% of marks. For that child, you should not screw or you should not push to reach maximum score of reaching 90% of score. So your child's ability of learning is 50% only. This you should understand, and don't push your child to take maximum scores like 90% 95 percentage. He can't able to take at all. This is my first tip. And second tip, according to this ability of learning, one child will be differ from other child. So second thing, don't compare your child's score with other child's score. And third thing, you should provide a calm and peaceful environment for your child for studying. Fourth thing, don't think examination as a big burden or big monster. You should explain to your kid that examination is nothing, that they are going to ask some questions, you're going to give answer for that. That's it. This is examination. And fifth tip and the last tip is, don't insist new rules on your child. If he is following this rule from class 1 to till now, means it's okay, it's fantastic, it's a good habit. But if you're insisting this habit newly during this examination period, definitely it will be a big stress for your kid. So please understand and don't insist new rules during this examination period. So this is the fifth tips for parents. And next 5 tips for students. First and foremost, close all your books and don't open your book. So you should close all your books. You should think how you can present your answer for a question. This is the way of preparation for your examination. So this is my first tip for you. Second thing, time planning. Yes, plan your time. From morning till night, which time is good for you, and during that time, which are all the portions you can cover a presentation of answer. So this is my second tip. Plan your timing for each subject. Third thing, using of mobile phones and playing of mobile games, it's really dangerous for your brain. You can't able to think at all if you're addicted to mobile phone and mobile games. So please avoid using of mobile phones and playing in mobile phones. Don't think this is very difficult. I'll give you a interesting and very easy tips how you can handle this. Want to use mobile phones, just close your eyes and sleep. If you're getting good sleep, then your mind will get relaxed and it will help for you to think about your examination and preparation for your answering of question. Eating of healthy foods is must during this preparation of examination. Fruits and green leafy vegetables, all dry fruits and nuts. So don't my third tips for you guys, don't use mobile phones and don't play in questions about examination. And fifth one, be joyful and enjoy with your parents and family and your friends. You can play a chess, caroms, like you can play for a while, or you can share all your inner feelings with your parents. This will help you to relax your mind and enjoy. That's it. Ta-da! Thank you very much for your patient listening. Definitely, these tips will help you to reach your maximum score, only peaceful and joyful examination situation for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.